Let's use XLOOKUP. On the left here, we have our sales data, we have the product ID, but we're missing the name and the price. Over here on the right, we have our master catalog that contains that information, and we need to pull it over into our right-hand table. So go ahead and start for the product name and type equals and then XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP takes three parameters. The first parameter we want to use is the lookup value. So we want to look up our product ID, go ahead and type that, put a comma, and now is our lookup array. This is the column in which you're looking things up from. So in our case, we want the product ID. Go ahead and highlight this column. And then here's a key tip right here. Make sure you hit F4 on this to lock these cells, and I'll show you why later. Again, our third parameter here is our return, and we want to return our product name. So go ahead and highlight product name and lock your cells here. Okay, and then that's it. We can hit enter, and we have our gaming mouse, we have our mechanical keyboard, our 27-inch monitor, and then our gaming mouse again. Let's do the same thing with price. Go ahead and type equals XLOOKUP. Again, first parameter is our product ID, where we want to look up. Our second is going to be the lookup column here, and then go ahead and highlight that one. Make sure to lock your cells. And then finally, we'll do our return value, which is our price here. Put a parentheses, hit enter, and then autofill all the way down. And look, we get our return prices here. We do have NA, and we can go ahead and handle this real quick. So this is what the fourth parameter will be. So the fourth parameter is if it's not found, and we can see that right here. If it's not found, you type what you want, entered if not found. So we're just going to say not found, and when we auto-populate it down, since this individual product ID is not in our master catalog, it shows us not found. We'll do the same thing with our price here. So go ahead and type a comma and then put not found, and then auto-populate all the way down. And see, we have not found here. The one thing that I did want to mention is the reason we lock our columns. Look at this. If I remove these locked columns real quick and then auto-populate down, we have some issues here because look, okay, F2 to F4, F3 to F5, F4 to F6, F5 to F7, and then all the way down to F8 to F6 to F8. And the issue here is that it's moving down the lookup values, so that's why we have to lock them. Otherwise, it's going to return that it's not found when you truly do have that. So make sure to lock your specific columns inside of your function.